Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma emphasized the prestigious value of organ donation, stating that a single organ donor can save up to 8 lives. He was speaking as the chief guest at the 16th Indian Organ Donation Day, observed under the theme Angdan Jeevan Sanjeevani Abhiyan at RIMS Banting Hall. The event, organized by RIMS under the aegis of the Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, was also attended by Medical Superintendent Dr. Nepram Sanjeev and Dean of Academics Dr. L. Rajesh. Speaking further, Director Sunil Kumar stressed the crucial importance of creating awareness about organ donation among the families of donors. He stated that family consent is vital and can provide a new leash on life to those in need. He also encouraged medical professionals to donate organs and become donor ambassadors, noting that life is highly unpredictable once a person reaches 50 years of age. The RIMS director called for organ donation to save others. He also highlighted plans to establish RIMS as a state organ and tissue transplant organization, SOTO, after taking consent from Manipur government.